AVNation.tv. We are here in Amsterdam at ISE 2018, and we are in the SurgeX booth with Lauren. Lauren, how are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for joining us today. This is a different market than the US for you guys.
Absolutely.
ISE obviously is a great show. It's great for you guys to exhibit here, but that market penetration is a little different, and the way they do things over here is a little different. Can you talk a little bit about what that means to SurgeX and how you guys approach dealing with these two markets, which, again, from a power standpoint, are significantly different?
Absolutely. So, I mean, we're relatively new in the international space for SurgeX, so we're taking the same stuff that we have domestically that we've been selling in North America and bringing it over here to ISE and bringing it to the international markets. The nice thing is that even though the power is very different across the world, the basics is the same.
Right.
So when we talk about our surge elimination technology, it crosses borders very, very well, because at the end of the day, the power anomalies that happen in the States happen everywhere else.
Right.
So we're bringing that elimination technology to help advance our AV equipment and make sure that it's not degrading, not rebooting all the time, and generally protecting it a lot better than what's currently out there.
When you look at the European market specifically, is there, I don't want to say is there more power fluctuations, but essentially, are there more power fluctuations here? Is that a bigger concern this side of the pond than it is back in the States?
It really depends on the geography.
Okay.
There are certain places overseas that have much better power than we do in the States,
Okay.
and there are places that are far worse. Anywhere that's more of a desert type environment with a really short bedrock, they tend to have a lot more anomalies. Australia has a lot of power issues.
Really?
They do. And then when you start getting into more high-rise type environments, so in the States we tend to have nice sprawling environments, things are spaced out a little bit more. As those cities become dense and they go higher, the wiring tends to become a major issue as well.
Really?
Yes.
So how does SurgeX help integrators understand that and address that properly?
Absolutely. So there's a couple of things that we do. First is with our surge elimination technology. With our technology, we'll actually eliminate 100% of the surge energy, up to 6,000 volts, 3,000 amps, without passing anything through to the connected equipment or degrading. So we're going to take those hits over and over again. Additionally, we have other tools that we're showing to our integrators here at ISE that allow them to diagnose the power coming into the building and help them create a better system, and at the end of the day, less service calls for themselves.
From a remote management side, obviously in the US, this is really starting to take off. Integrators everywhere are jumping on board with it. Are you seeing that same penetration here, or is that just starting here?
Absolutely. So I don't think the penetration is fully there yet, but it's definitely on its way. We've had a lot of interest and a lot of questions asking about how do we control over IP. How do you work with control systems? So I definitely think that market is growing in this space as well.
Excellent. So if people want to find out more information about SurgeX, where can they do that?
You can go to our website at www.surgex.com.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
For more footage from the show floor and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.